Namaskar everyone, I am Desai from Neura Global Kids. Welcome you to our class Maths. Okay kids, first of all we do the prayer. Om Bhur Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti. Rub your palm kids. Put on your eyes and open your eyes slowly. Namaskar everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Now today we are going to do revision. Okay, and first of all we do our new revision. We revise the last video, revision of last video. In the last video we learn comparison. What we learn? Comparison. Okay kids, so let's tell me how we do comparison between two numbers. Yes, which number has more quantity? It is a big number, right? So जिस तरफ बिग नंबर होगा क्रोकोडाइल जो है वो अपना माउथ उसकी तरफ ओपन करेगा, राइट? सो दिस इज द साइन ऑफ लेस देन, दिस इज द साइन ऑफ ग्रेटर देन, एंड दिस इज द साइन ऑफ इक्वल टू. राइट that? Right kids? Less than, greater than and equal to. This is the sign of comparison. We should use this sign for the comparison. Okay, now let's do some numbers and let's compare them. Here are the numbers 4 and 9. So now tell me which number is big here? Yes, 9, because it has more quantity. So we have to put this sign, okay, less than. 4 is less than 9. जिस तरफ बिग होगा नंबर उसकी तरफ क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ ओपन रहेगा. Then after 19 and 7. Which is the biggest number here? Yes, but obvious 19. सो क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ जो है वो 19 की ओर ओपन रहेगा. सेम एज 10 and 10. So these numbers are equal in quantity. So here we have to put the sign of equal to. Okay. 4 is less than 9. 19 is greater than 7. 10 is equal to 10. Okay kids, so this is the revision of our last video. Now let's do our today's revision. Today we are going to do revision of ascending order. Today we are going to do revision of ascending order. So let's do some activity and then we write our numbers. Kids, here I take some pictures in different size, right? Here I take some pictures in different size. Okay, now number them from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, जो पिक्चर्स है उसको स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट में नंबर्स देने हैं. ठीक है, स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट मीन्स असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट मीन्स असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. मतलब इन पिक्चर्स को हमें असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. सो विच पिक्चर कम फर्स्ट? दिस वन. सो हियर वी हैव टू गिव देम नंबर 1, राइट? देन आफ्टर विच पिक्चर, विच size will come? This bird will come. So here we have to give them number 2. After that compare these two birds. Yes, this is number 3. and at the last this number is the last number 4. This bird is biggest bird, so we have to give the number 4. इस तरह से आपको उनको सीक्वेंस में अरेंज करना है, राइट. हियर वी कैन सी विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट वन हियर. yes, this pin is smallest, so we are going to give them one number. Then after compare these 3 pins, this one 2 and at the 3 and 4. Last one you have to done by your own. So this is the activity about ascending order, and now let's write numbers. Kids, this is your maths notebook. In your maths notebook you have to write classwork and date. Then after you have to write a heading, revision of ascending order. Means here we have to arrange the number in the ascending order. So let's write with me. Be prepared with your pencil and eraser. Skip one line. Write down, make a star in the margin line and write down the numbers. First of all we write number 9. Then after the number we have to put the comma. Okay. After that 7, put the comma. After that 1, put the comma, and then after 3. Okay. Now we have to arrange this number in ascending order. So ascending order में हम कैसे arrange करेंगे numbers को? Yes, in the activity we learned, we arrange the numbers small number to big number, है ना? Small number to big number. So here we have to find the smallest number first. So which is the smallest number here, kids? Yes, 1 has only one quantity, so 1 is the smallest number. So what we have to do? हमें इसको यहाँ से कट कर देना है और यहाँ पे उसको बिठा देना है ना. Then after next is we have to compare between 9, 7 and 3. So tell me which is the smallest number here, kids? Yes, in these 3 is the smallest number, so we have to cut it and write down this number after 1. Okay. Then after we have to compare now 9 and 7. Which is the smallest number, kids? Yes, 7 is the smallest number, so we have to cut and write down after the 3. And last is 9, so 9 is the biggest number. Here we can do one more thing. So one more revision. We have to color the smallest number in orange. जो smallest number है उनको आप orange में कलर कर सकते हो, और जो biggest number है उसको आप पिंक कलर कर सकते हो, है ना. तो ये आपका स्मॉलेस्ट एंड बिगेस्ट नंबर का भी रिवीजन हो गया, राइट. जो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है उनको ऑरेंज कलर से कलर करोगे, और जो बिगेस्ट नंबर है उसको सर्कल करके पिंक कलर से कलर करोगे. नाउ skip one line after this and write, make a star in the margin line and write down another numbers. Here I write the number 11, put the comma. ऐसे ही छोटा सा टिक लगाना है ना. इतना बड़ा कोमा नहीं करोगे वरना वो 1 जैसा लगेगा, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा नीचे की ओर. 11, 8, 14, 6. हमारे 4 नंबर्स कौन से हैं? 11, 8, 14, 6. These are the numbers and we have to arrange them in the ascending order. How we arranging the ascending order? Small number to big number. So here we have to find the smallest number first. See, 11 and 14 तो 2 डिजिट नंबर है, राइट। 8 एंड 6 1 डिजिट नंबर है, तो बट ऑब्वियस है जो ए सिंगल डिजिट नंबर है वही स्मॉल होगा। तो अब ये दो स्मॉल डिजिट में से हमें स्मॉलर नंबर ढूंढने हैं। तो 6 is the smallest number, so we have to cut it and write down here first row. Then after put the comma. Now we have to find the smallest number. 8 is 1 digit number, so 8 here. After that 11 and 14. So what to do? First we see the tens place. If you know directly it is very good, but अगर आपको confusion हो रहा है तो first of all we see the tens place. If tens place are same, अगर tens place same है, then and thereafter we go to the ones place. अगर tens place same है तो हम ones की place पे जाएंगे, है ना। तो इनमें से जो नंबर स्मॉल होगा वो पूरे नंबर को स्मॉल कर देगा। विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, 1 और 4? यस, बट ऑब्वियस 1। तो ये 1 जो है वो पूरे नंबर को क्या कर देगा? स्मॉल। तो नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 11। सो वी हैव टू कट इट एंड राइट डाउन हियर 11 and at the last 14. Okay, here you can do this. So which is the smallest number? 6. तो उसको हमें ऑरेंज कलर से कलर करना है, और जो बिगेस्ट नंबर है उसको हमें पिंक कलर से कलर करना है। नंबर्स आपको दिखाई दे उस तरह से कलर करोगे, ठीक है। नंबर्स को पूरा ढक नहीं दोगे। चलो, ये हो गया हमारा स्मॉलेस्ट, बिगेस्ट एंड असेंडिंग ऑर्डर का रिवीजन। नाउ लेट्स टेक अप नेक्स्ट, skip one line, make a star in the margin line. After that here we have to write 18, put the comma, 16, put the comma, 20 and 12. Okay, 18, 16, 20 and 12. These are the numbers. We have to arrange them in the ascending order. How we arrange? Smallest number to biggest number. So let us find smallest number first. All tens place are same? No, this is different. So 2 is bigger than 1. So इसको अभी देखना नहीं है. Now let's compare these three number first. Which is the smallest place of ones? 12. तो 12 को हम कट करेंगे और यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, ठीक है। Then after 18, 16 and 20. See the ones place. 16 is smallest. After that 18 and 20. Look at the tens place. 1 is smaller. So here we have to write 18. After that last number is 20. Okay kids. So this is your numbers which we arrange in the ascending order. Now next make a star in the margin line. Make a star in the margin line kids. Skip one line and make a star in the margin line. Write down the numbers with me. 0, 19, 10, 5. 0, 19, 10 and 5. So tell me which is the smallest number here kids? 0 is the smallest number. So we have to put it here first. Then after which number will come? Yes, very good. 5 is smallest number between these three numbers. After that, look at the tens place. Tens place is same. So we have to put the ones place. Which is the smallest? 0. So 10 number is smaller than 19. And at the last 19. यहाँ पे मैंने स्मॉलेस्ट और बिगेस्ट को कलर नहीं करना है. आप चाहो तो आप कर सकते हो, वरना चलेगा. Now skip one line and write down our next sequence or number of sequence. Here 19, 17, 13, 3. 19, 17, 13, 3. So make a. Now here we have to find the smallest number, 3. Here we have to write 3. After that, which number will come? 13. So we have to write down 13. After that, 17. So here we have to write down 17. And at the last, 19. Okay, kids. So this is our ascending order revision. This is the revision of our ascending order. This is your today's class work. Now you know very well how to write in the notebook, but let's see how to write. Okay, kids. Okay, kids, this is your maths notebook. Here how to write in the notebook. First of all, you have to write down class work and today's date. After that, we have to write heading here, revision of ascending order. ठीक है, this is the revision of ascending order. Then after, skip one line, make a star in the margin line. यहाँ पे आपको पिंक कलर की मार्जिन लाइन दिखाई दे रही है ना. And then after, write down the number which are writing in the blackboard. And you have to arrange them in the ascending order. ठीक है, जैसे 1, 3, 7, 9. इस तरह से आंसर लिखेंगे. Skip one line, write down next number 11, 8, 14 and 6. और इनको आप असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करके लिखोगे. दिस इज योर टुडेज क्लास वर्क. और सेम एज यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन दी होमवर्क, बट ये जो नंबर्स हैं वो आप अलग अलग लिखोगे. ओके किड्स, सो लेट्स सी अवर टुडेज क्लास वर्क एंड होमवर्क. सो किड्स, टुडे वी डिड रिविजन ऑफ असेंडिंग ऑर्डर in the notebook. This is our today's class work, and in the homework you have to write down same as class work. Same as class work mean जो आपने आज class work में सीखा था. क्या सीखा है? ascending order. आपको ascending order ही notebook में homework as a homework लिखना है, but numbers जो है वो हमारे class work से अलग लिखोगे ताकि आप अच्छे से practice कर पाओ. Okay kids, I hope you understand this topic again. And thank you everyone. Bye.